Hello guys, it's me, Scarlet the Clown Gremlin. This is it. It's almost gonna be the very end for the Halloween special at the very end. Before we get started for the last of our Halloween special, because it's coming to an end, I just don't, because it's so beautiful to me. It was a long time, so yeah, let's just get started. Boom. Okay, and 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. I can't even tell anymore. I just can't. Look at that. I mean, I wish I would have been. That'd be cool and awesome. Clown spider, glide clown, and everything. That'd be great. I mean, total death. I could be fit and clean. Huh. Epic. Wait, that said something for a few minutes ago? Well, I just thought it was like a skeleton. That'd be cool with a knife. Here we go. We'll be right back. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. A lot more videos coming soon. Hope you enjoyed it and we will see you again on the next video. So, happy Halloween everyone! So yeah, the skeleton gargoyle set monkey is finally out. Later guys!